The story that once pushed the U.S. closer to war with Iran is now unraveling fast. What's changing, and why does it matter to you right now? Since Trump's presidency, a consistent narrative was that Iran posed an imminent threat, justifying aggressive U.S. actions. However, new reports from international sources and investigative journalism, including Rolling Stone Australia, reveal that many of these threats were overstated or misrepresented. The evidence now shows Iran's actions are less aggressive than previously claimed, undermining the rationale for war. This shift is causing political and public doubt about the accuracy of earlier intelligence and the justification for escalating tensions. Countries that once supported or tolerated the U.S. stance on Iran are now questioning it. European allies and Middle Eastern nations are emphasizing diplomacy over conflict. This international skepticism weakens the Trump narrative's influence on global policy and reduces the likelihood of coordinated military action. The global diplomatic community's pivot highlights the growing consensus that war with Iran is not unavoidable or justified as once claimed. Within the U.S., lawmakers and administration officials are reconsidering the aggressive posture toward Iran. The discrediting of the war narrative forces a reevaluation of military spending, sanctions, and diplomatic approaches. This has led to increased calls for dialogue, lessening the chances of conflict escalation. The narrative collapse creates political challenges for those advocating for confrontation, altering the landscape of U.S. foreign policy in the Middle East. For you, this shift means the immediate threat of a U.S.-Iran war is less urgent than before. It points to potential stabilization in a region that affects global oil prices, security, and peace efforts. Staying informed helps you understand how international relations evolve and how they impact everything from the economy to national security. Watching how this story unfolds will shape your perspective on global politics and safety. Trump's once forceful Iran war narrative is collapsing under scrutiny and changing global realities. This shift lowers the immediate risk of conflict and pushes diplomacy to the forefront. For you, that means a moment to watch closely as policies adjust, peace talks gain ground, and global tensions ease. Stay updated with us for the latest on this critical story and how it impacts your world. Don't forget to subscribe for daily insights.